Hello dear students, today I am going to discuss the Y set of class higher secondary part first of subject physical education for the session annual regular 2020 winter zone of Jammu division. I hope that this question paper is helpful for the coming exam in summer zone of Jammu division for the students of higher secondary part first. Section A. Each question carries 1 marks. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. The aim of physical education is option first mental development, second social development, third physical development, fourth all of these. Answer is option number 4 all of these. Question number 2. Cardiac muscles are found in option first kidney, second liver, third heart, fourth none of these. Answer is heart, option third. Question number 3. All the body movements are performed with the help of option first bones, second skeletal muscles, third legs, fourth none of these. Answer is option second skeletal muscles. Question number 4. Psychology. Logos means option first study of mind, second study of head, third study of heart, fourth none of these. Answer is option first study of mind. Question number 5. Achievement is known as option first physical output, second inactivity, third both first option and second, fourth none of these. Answer is option first physical output. Question number 6. Duration of CPED course is option first 1 year, option second 2 years, option third 3 years, fourth none of these. Answer is option first 1 year. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a component of personal hygiene? Option first skin care, second teeth care, third equipment care, fourth none of these. Answer is option third equipment care. Question number 8. Shuttlecock is used in option first hockey, second football, third cricket, fourth none of these. Answer is fourth none of these. Section B. Each question carries 2 marks. Very short answer type questions. Question number 9. Give 2 definitions of physical education. This question is related to chapter number 1, concept of physical education. Definitions means state of the exact meaning of a word or clarity. The answer may be according to J.B. Nash, according to C.C. Cowell, according to A.R. Bayman, according to Irwin, according to Charles A. Butcher. Why is physical education necessary? This question is also related to chapter number 1, concept of physical education. Necessary means needed, requisite, essential. The answer may be it caters biological, sociological, and physiological necessity of man to survive in the present crisis. The need of the hour is growing up a courageous, bold, physically, mentally, socially, and intellectually extra. Question number 10. What are the effects of tobacco on an individual? This question is related to chapter number 5, Health and Family Education. Effects means change, result, consequences. Tobacco means a plant with leaves that have high levels of addictive chemical nicotines. The answer may be lungs and jaw cancer, lifespan decreased, blood pressure increased, appetite decreased, heart disease, respiratory disease increased, induce infertility in males, smoking produce abnormalities, etc. Question number 11. What is psychology? This question is related to chapter number 3, Psychological Aspects of Physical Education. What means asking for information, specific something. The answer may be psychology derived from Latin word psychic and logos and other psychologists. What Greek philosophers believed about psychology, etc. Question number 12. Define national award. This question is related to chapter number 7, National Games. The answer may be Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy, Dhyan Chand Award, Padam Shri Award. Question number 13. What do you know about Olympic flag? This question is related to chapter number 8. Olympic Games. What means asking information for specific something? Know, be aware, realize. About means regarding, concerning. The answer may be who gave the idea of Olympic flag? Who prepared the Olympic flag? What is its color? How many circles and the colors of circles? What is the motto of Olympic flag? In which Olympic Games Olympic flag displayed? Question number 14. Define the role of coach in sports. This question is related to chapter number 6, Concept of Major Games and Sports. Role means part, character, capacity, position. Coach is a teacher for players. The answer may be coach give direction, instructions. Coach give training. Coach bring the perfections in the skills. Coach teach rules and regulations, etc. Question number 15. What write down any two skills of badminton? This question is related to chapter number 6, Concept of Major Games and Sports. Skills means ability to do something well, trained to do a particular task. The answer may be stones, footwork, long service, short service, backhand stroke, forehand stroke, smash, half smash, drop, tap, flat return, drive, extra. Question number 16. Write short note on obesity. This question is related to chapter number 9, diet and its importance in physical development. Short means small, brief. Note means points or ideas. Message. Obesity means excessive body fat. The answer may be nutritional disorder, excess proteins, fats, carbohydrates stored as fats in body. Sometimes obesity is called a luxury disease. Question number 17. What are the various types of fracture? This question is related to chapter number 10, common sports injuries and rehabilitations. Various means many, several. When you give the answer, write only the types of fractures. For example, the green stick fracture, complicated fracture, depressed fracture, comminuted fracture, impacted fracture, simple fracture, compound fracture, extra. Question number 18. Mention the difference between muscle pull and muscle cramp. This question is related to chapter number 10, common sports injuries and rehabilitation. Mention means briefly, without going in detail. Difference means dissimilar. The answer may be right in one side muscle pull and the other side muscle cramp. Give first point of muscle and then muscle cramp. The answer may be muscle pull occurs involuntary contracts. Muscle cramp is also occurs involuntary contracts. Point second, muscle pull remain few days. Muscle cramp remain longer than muscle pull. Section C. Each question carries 3 marks. Short answer type questions. Question number 19. This question is related to chapter number 8, Olympic Games. Explain the history of modern Olympic Games. History means the study of past events. Modern means present day. The answer may be who is wearing Paris de Coubertin's, in which year he started his struggle to revive the modern Olympic Games. How many countries representatives participated in the first meetings? In which year the modern Olympic Games started and in which country the modern Olympic Games held? Or define ancient Olympic Games. This question is also related to chapter number 8, Olympic Games. Define means explain, state, establish. Ancient means earliest, very old, existed for long time. The answer may be exact origin of Olympic Games. In which year the ancient Olympic Games recorded, in which city, village, capital and country where these games are held. How many days ancient Olympic Games remain. Question number 20. Discuss the need and importance of physical education. This question is related to chapter number 1, concept of physical education. Discuss means talk over, talk about. Need means require, necessity, importance means significance, value, quality. First of all, write down few needs and importance of physical education. Need of physical education. Points are biological, sociological, and psychological necessity of the man due to modernizations, then environment pollution, cultural degradation, social disintegrations, religious terminals, extra. Importances: growth and development, character development, leadership qualities, economic value, emotional development, national integration, social adjustment, mental development, promote sportsmanship, physical fitness, health and safe habits, international understandings. Question number 21. Define achievements in sports. This question is related to chapter number 3, psychological aspects of physical education. Define means describe or make clear to someone by describing it in detail. The answer may be: what is achievement? Give one definition of achievement. The effort and achievement itself are generally dependent upon the following points. Number 1, desire. Demonstrate superiority over others. Natural urge to compete and do something different. Educational achievements: learning new skills and feel satisfaction. Question number 22. What do you mean by avenues for career preparations? This question is related to chapter number 4, career aspects in physical education. Avenues means path, line, direction. Career means profession, occupations. Preparation means process of preparing. The answer may be: give some few points of introductions of careers avenues. Then the following avenues helps them in the career preparations or interest in sports, participation in competition, develop high level fitness, checking out own mistakes, good character, develop leadership qualities, adjustment ability, competitive spirit, knowledge of other subjects, knowledge of equipment, knowledge of posture and diet, knowledge of rehabilitations. Question number 23. Define the importance of sports psychology. This question is related to chapter number 3, psychological aspects of physical education. Define means explain, state, establish. Importance means significance, great, worth, value. Sports psychology. Then write down few sentences about sports psychology and its importance, such as mental abilities improved, better selection, better training methods, motivation and feedback, modifying behavior, control stress and tension, understanding learning rate increased, Good relationship. Question number 24. Discuss Dhyan Chand Award. This question is related to chapter number 7, National Games. Discuss means talk over, talk about. The answer may be who is Dhyan Chand, from where he related, the title name given to Dhyan Chand, how many Olympic medals India won during Dhyan Chand time, in which year Dhyan Chand Award started by the government of India, and how much money and whatever things are given to the awardees extra. Question number 25. Define dislocation and also write down signs and symptoms of dislocation. This question is related to chapter number 10, Common Sports Injuries and Rehabilitation. Define means explain, state, establish. The answer may be first of all, give the introduction of dislocation. Then its signs means indication, signals, and symptoms. Symptoms mean physical or mental feature or conditions. Question number 26. What is balanced diet? This question is related to chapter number 9, Diet and its importance in physical development. What means asking for information? Answer may be first write about diet and then diet such as constituents of diet means proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, etc. Question number 27. Write in detail about the Olympic flag and Olympic village. This question is related to chapter number 8, Olympic Games. Detail means describe, particular, about means regarding. Olympic flag means the answer may be who prepared the Olympic flag, in which year flag displayed, in which Olympic games the flag is hosted, how many rings in the Olympic flag, and what kind of message be there in that flag. Olympic village, the answer may be exact origin of Olympic games, in which year Olympic games held, how far the village from Greece, what type of accommodation for player, officials, spectators, press and media, etc. Section D. Long answer type questions. Each question carries 5 marks. Question number 28. Discuss the various forms of drugs used by sports person. This question is related to chapter number 5, Health and Family Education. Discuss means talk over, talk about, write in details. Various means more than, several, many. Forms means shape, appearance. Drugs means a substance which has a physiological and psychological effect on human body. Used means consumed. Sportspersons means one who plays sports. The answer may be caffeine, cocaine, growth hormones, diuretics, anabolic steroids, hallucinogens, morphines, amphetamines, etc. Or mention the evil effects of drugs in detail. This question is also related to chapter number 5, Health and Family Education. Mention means refer briefly, evil, bad, wrong, effects, result, consequences. Drugs, a substance which has physiological and psychological effect on human body. Detail means give full information or describe it. The answer may be cause a damage to nervous system, cause a damage to cardiovascular system, eyesight badly affected, coordination of body affected, etc. Question number 29. Define muscular system in detail. This question is related to chapter number 2, Physiological Aspects of Physical Education. Define means explain, detail, particular, give full information. The answer may be, first of all, write introduction of muscular system, then types of muscles, and next effects of exercises on muscular system, or what are the various effects of exercises on respiratory system. This question is also related to chapter number 2, Physiological Aspects of Physical Education. Various means many, several, effects, result, consequences. The answer may be faster removal of carbon dioxide, aerobic endurance developed, chest expand, lungs capacity increased, respiratory rate decreased, hydro balance in body, residual volume increased, respiratory muscle becomes strong, etc. Question number 30. Define the history of handball in detail. This question is related to chapter number 6, Concept of Major Games and Sports. The answer may be handball is early days, handball in modern era, handball in Olympic, handball in today, or draw a neat and clean diagram of hockey play field with proper dimensions. This question is also related to chapter number 6, Concept of Major Games and Sports. Draw means produce by making lines on paper with pencil. Neat means tidy. Clean means good. Diagram means drawing or structure. Playfield, a playground for outdoor activities. Proper means actual, real, genuine. Dimension means measurement, measurable. The answer may be draw the sketch of hockey play field, then writes its length, breadth of hockey. Then next point, penalty stroke positions, D shooting circle, dotted shooting circle, free surface area, length of goal post, height of the goal post, thickness of the wooden, height of the backboard, depth of the backboard, etc. Thanks and have a nice day.